Hi everyone, Von Marie here and welcome to the Cat Scrappiness YouTube channel. Today I am kicking off a video for the new Fish on Word Die with Hook. It is a standalone die set and you can cut it out with different colored cardstock or pattern paper. It's also great for anyone who just loves to fish. It measures 3 by 2 inches. I went and die cut the word die out in black cardstock. So it comes in different pieces like this, so you can easily use these words on its own. You can use the fishing hook by itself as well. It's really easy to cut out and put together. And here is my card using the new Fish on Word Die with Hook. Thank you for joining me today and have a wonderful day.